Let's look at this super easy hack that can help you solve quite a few problems that have occurred in the past SAT style exams. In this question, you were asked to find the value of x, and many students will try to employ quite a few methods. You can use cross multiplication or you can multiply on both sides. But here's a super easy way to think about such equations. In this up-down flip-flop hack, whatever is in the denominator can easily be flip-flopped to become the numerator, and whatever is in the numerator can become the denominator. So let's quickly rewrite this equation using the up-down flip-flop method. 2x minus 10 is in the denominator, so we're going to flip it to the upside. And so the numerator is going to become 2x minus 10 now. And whatever's in the numerator is going to flip to the down side. And so you're going to have a 1 over here. Similarly, this part, the right-hand side of the equation, is going to be x, because x is going to flip to the top and 1 is going to go to the bottom. So there we go. We flipped the top and the bottom sides, and now you can see this equation has become extremely easy to solve. All you're going to do is get rid of the 1 and you're going to write down 2x minus 10 is equal to x. Now you bring this x on the right hand side to the left hand side, so you get 2x minus x, and this 10 goes to the right hand side. And of course now the left hand side becomes x, and that is equal to 10. And so we immediately get this answer to be the correct answer. Let's look at a slightly more complicated problem that can also be solved using this up-down flip-flop method. Here you've got 4 over 4a plus 3 is equal to 4 over 7. Once again, you can flip-flop the numerator and denominator. So we've got 4a plus 3, which was in the denominator, now in the numerator, and the 4 in the numerator has gone down in the denominator. And the same way, we flip-flop the numerator and denominator on the right-hand side. Now the equation becomes much easier to solve. You've got 4a over 4, which can just be written as a, and you've got 3 over 4, which you can just simply write as 3 over 4, and the right hand side can become 7 over 4. And see how easy it is to solve. Now all you're going to do is move this 3 over 4 to the other side, so you get a is equal to 7 over 4 minus 3 over 4, and this 3 over 4 is cancelled out. 7 minus 3 is 4, so you can write this down as 4 over 4, and then this simplifies to just 1. And so that's your answer, and that's how quickly you can solve it, as opposed to cross multiplying or using any of the other tactics. Now try to solve this similar problem using the up-down flip-flop method. I'll wait here for a few seconds to see how you do. Hopefully you're able to solve the problem. All you got to do is flip this denominator to the numerator, and the numerator goes now in the denominator. So you've got 3x minus 5 over 1 is equal to 2x over 1. And now you just got a 1 over here, so you can safely ignore it, and your equation becomes 3x minus 5 is equal to 2x. Now you can move the 2x to the left-hand side to get 3x minus 2x, which simplifies to x, and then this negative 5 goes to the right-hand side to simply give us x is equal to 5, and thus this is our correct answer.